Hi, today we're just doing a quick tutorial on getting Identity Services Engine up and running with role-based access. Let's dive right in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to AD and we're going to create user groups, which we're going to use for our role-based access. First group we're going to name ISE admin. And then second group we're going to create here, we'll name it ISE TACX admin. Now we need two users to put inside of these groups. I have one here. This is my management user, my domain admin for this demo environment. We're going to create a second one, and this second one we're going to use as a read-only user. I'm sorry, not a read-only user, as a TACX admin. So they'll have TACX management rights within ISE. Alright, it's all finished. Now let's make sure we add them to the proper groups. First one we're going to add to our ISE TACX admin. And the domain admin user, we're going to add them to just our regular ISE admin. This will give them super user permissions into ISE. All right, let's head over to our ISE deployment. Now we're not joined to AD yet, so we have to log in with our local credentials that we created on install. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to join the domain. So head up to administration and then click on external identity sources. I'm going to go to Active Directory and add. So join point name could be anything you want. For purposes of this, we're just going to name it demo AD. And then the Active Directory domain is our actual domain. So mine is server42.local. Okay. This is just asking if you want all nodes to be joined to the domain. Okay, now we need an account with domain join rights. I'm going to use my domain admin account. And click OK. All right. Now we still need to add in those two user groups that we are going to base our rules off of. So I like to select the group, and in the name filter, I like to use 2 stars, so star.ice star. Sometimes I have problems here, but I find that using 2 stars, things usually work out best for me. Okay, I'm going to click both those groups, ISE admin and ISE TACX admin. Click OK, and don't forget to save. Okay, back up to administration, and now we're going to go on admin access. Over here on the right, you'll see identity sources. We want to choose the AD domain we just added in. Click Save. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Administrators and Admin Groups. So these are pre-populated groups within ISE that we are going to add our external groups to. So first one is Super Admin. Click on External, and we're going to add the group that we want to be part of the Super Admin local group in ISE. All right, click Save. Go back in there, and let's find the TACX admin group all the way at the bottom. Again, click External, and let's find our, there it is, ISE TACX admin. Click Save. So now we're all set. Let's take a look at the policy real quick. So all this stuff is pre-built with menus and permissions. And since we added the users to the TACX plus admin and the super admin, these are the 2 roles it will be getting. All right, let's log out and see if it works. So you'll notice down bottom under username and password, there is identity source, AD, demo AD, and that's what we added in. If you click that drop down, you'll get to internal, so you can log in with the internal account. All right, and I have full rights to ISE. Now, let's log out and let's check out K-Minion's rights. This user should just have TACX admin. All right. And there we go. So you see how the menus up top are only a couple. This is the pre-built stuff for TACX.